morning children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Dear children, in the previous session we learned about biotic components in the forest ecosystem. Let us discuss how the energy is flowing in an ecosystem in this session. Dear children, the existence of a living world depends upon the flow of energy and circulation of the materials through the ecosystem. Energy is required for the performance of all life activities in the living organisms. And the ultimate main source of energy in the biosphere is sun. Approximately 57% of solar energy is absorbed in the atmosphere and scattered in the space. About 36% of solar energy is utilized for heating of land areas in the evaporating of water. And also nearly 8% of solar energy it is reaching the plants, in which 2% of solar energy is utilizing by the plants for the production of the food material by the process of photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis, plants are converting the solar energy into chemical energy. And the chemical energy which is stored in the plants transferring into the ecosystem through the food chains and food webs. Let us observe how these energy is flowing in an ecosystem. Plants and algae and bacteria which are using the solar energy to prepare the food material by the process of photosynthesis. This chemical energy which is stored in the plant body is utilizing by the consumers like herbivores. In these herbivores, that chemical energy is modified according to its life processes. If these herbivores are consumed by these carnivores, that energy which is present in the herbivores are transferring into the carnivores. These carnivores are modifying the energy which is received by the herbivores into different forms according to its needs. When these consumers and producers are dying, immediately the decomposers like bacteria, fungi, mold and worms and insects, they are acting on these decaying materials and they are decomposing the organic matter into nutrients. These nutrients are mixing in the soil and by giving the nutrients to the plants in cyclic way. In this way, at each level, 10% of the energy only transferring from one level to another level. While the energy is transferring through the food chain, 90% of the energy is dissipated in the form of heat during the process of respiration and other activities. Here, only 10% of the energy is transferring from one level to another level in the ecosystem. Let's recall what we learned here. The ultimate energy source is sun. Plants are utilizing the solar energy, converting into chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. This chemical energy is utilizing by the remaining organisms which is existing in the ecosystems. Dear children, take your homework. Why energy flow is important in the biosphere? Thank you very much.